Now at 6, 3 people convicted in crimes in Delaware County are asking for a new look at their cases because they were sentenced by this man, Judge James Schuck, who is currently on leave amid allegations of a relationship with an assistant prosecutor. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6 on air and on the stream. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Jeff Hogan. 10 TV's Carla Rogner has been following this case for months now. She reports from Delaware.
Right now, the Warren County prosecutor is still reviewing 30 cases that involve the judge and the assistant prosecutor. But now 3 people who were sentenced before that alleged relationship began want a new look at their cases too, even though the assistant prosecutor wasn't involved. Rhonda Coombs, a former daycare owner sentenced by Judge Schuck to serve 42 years in prison for abuse of children in her care. Jason Fuller sentenced to 17.5 years for the abuse of his 7 children. And Raymond Davis, serving a 6.5-year sentence for convictions of gross sexual imposition. Each of the 3 writing petitions to the court questioning whether their outcomes could have been impacted by Schuck's relationship with the assistant prosecutor. Schuck's attorney, Brad Koffel, responded saying none of these filings establishes that Judge Schuck's alleged conduct had any actual connection to their cases. There won't be any either because his previous relationship has nothing to do with any defendant's cases. Defense attorney Sam Szymanski offered his perspectives on the petitions.
I don't think anything will happen under these circumstances because A, there's no specific allegation of misconduct as it relates to the cases or the outcomes, and B, they're not contemporaneous, as I said, with Judge Schuck's alleged misconduct with the prosecutor in question.
He says cases that involve both the judge and the prosecutor would have a better chance at a review.
Under those circumstances, I believe that a court would rightly say, yeah, these cases need to be unwound and relitigated, only to avoid that appearance of impropriety.
Judge Schuck remains on leave from court. The Montgomery County Sheriff's Office is still investigating criminal allegations against him, which he has denied. Reporting in Delaware, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.